Hello friends, welcome to this session. We saw that the permission setting and how to manipulate the all permission details and how to set the permission for executable file. And in this session, we will try to understand what is the importance of cbang and why we are using the dot forward slash. And we will try to start the some of the variables in in this session. So let's start. So let me show you the my first script. So this is a first script, and you using cat command you can see the your script. So I execute the cat example.1sh. It will show the my script content on my screen. So using vi command you can edit script. So you can edit your script, but you want to see your script, you can do this example 1.sh cat. Okay, so we have given the hash exclamation sign and bin base. So this called the cbang in shell scripting, which we already discussed in the first session. But the importance of cbang is the linux system could have the multiple cells. For example, c cells, the tsl, and any kind of cell. But I want to use base cell, so I have to mention the base cell in my first line of row. If I have not mentioned the same in my script might be run, but it might give the error someplace at the default cell will run. So might be I have written script the based on the base cell, and the default cell could be the C cell. So where the it get the mismatch for the sum of command or sum of syntax, it will create the issues. So it's recommended that you if you want to writing the script, you should write your shebang the default base which you want to use for your script. Okay, so next one is where we are passing the dot forward slash for executing the my script. So why I'm giving the dot forward slash. So let's try to understand dot forward slash. So dot means the present directory. So if I do the cd dot, it won't do anything. So it will just change the directory, but the dot means the present directory. If I do the cd dot dot, it will do the previous directory, so it's a parent directory. So using the cd dot dot, it will create the parent. Only single dot is identify the present. So forward slash I am giving the name of my uh, forward slash I'm giving the name of my directories. So I again came to my directory just for showing the files. Okay, so if I want to execute my file, so I just have to pass the forward slash home, which is my path, and my script name. So you can see the script name here is this is my first script. So using the forward slash I can the pass, but I want the present directories scripts. I just have to pass a dot forward slash and example 1.sh. So it will redirect the same things, but when you pass the dot with the forward slash, it will the passing the current directory. Okay, so let's move to the next. Let's open the file, my file. It's example 1.sh. Okay, so here you can see the echo command gives the return the double quote syntax, and it will print. So echo is the default commands built-in command of the cell. So echo written in the cell, and echo works like it will print the content. So if you want to understand the echo built-in commands, you just have to write the type echo. So it will show the echo is the cell built-in. Let me clear screen and go to on the top. Okay, so it will identify the echo is the cell built-in. Okay, so if I want to do the more information about the echo, So type minus a echo will show the details about the echo built-in command. So it will show the built-in command, but it will also show the path for the my echo commands presence. So we can use the same path for the using of the echo. So I'm just giving the example user bin echo. I want to give an example. That's example. Okay, let me example print. So it will print my example context. So echo basically used for the uh, printing the your context which pass in you double quotes. Okay, so let's move forward and create the script 2 for defining variable over here. So I'm creating the example 2.sh. Oh, sorry, I given the one only. Okay, example 2.sh, and I'm giving the C bank here bin bash. Okay, so here I'm giving the variable is test and name. Okay, so I'm going to echo hello Mr. Test, or you can do the better way. That's I'm giving the name here, and you can make it the name. So it's in caps. Okay, sorry. Okay, again we have to give the permission set chmod plus x example 2.sh. Let's run. Okay, so hello Mr. Vijay. So we have passed the Vijay as very, let me print here the example to. So Vijay we have created as a variable, and we print the Vijay in our echo statement. So I pass the variable using the dollar and bracket the and variable name. So you have to pass this the same syntax. If you give the space anyhow, it will show the error. So you have to make sure the properly syntax followed. And in I think we have done in this session is the what is the importance of shebang, built-in commands, and the how to define variable. In next lesson we will go to understand the different context of the shell scripting in context of variable using and the looping. So let's meet on next session.